Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a VBM with us in the shop, and it came in for a few issues relating to leaking on the gauges. What we found is that actually the gauges were being, there was a lot of condensation on the right side of the machine due to the vacuum release valve and the water level probe. What was happening is that the water level probe had a lot of scale around it, so the water level would rise up much higher than it should, and then the vacuum release valve, which was in charge of closing off the steam boiler when it's pressurized, it was leaking from its gasket. When you mix those two together, you get a lot of excess water that kind of just spews out of the boiler before it seals off. And even when it does seal off, it's not sealed off completely. So you're seeing a lot of steam in this gauge here on the right side, and then a lot of water drip down to the bottom of the machine. After resolving both of those issues, we are getting no condensation and no leaks from the bottom of the machine. We also did a complete tune-up on this model just to make sure that it's running well, and it definitely needed some sort of cleaning. This is the original shower screen and gasket, but as you can see, a lot of the coffee buildup in the back of there. We ended up descaling the boiler and also descaling the group head, backflushing the group head, and just cleaning out all the excess coffee that was around the group head. So now we're going to quickly test the machine. We're going to pull the shot. Don't worry if the shot runs a little too fast or slow. We don't calibrate our grinders to our test models, or when we're testing models, just because that'll be a lot of back and forth with coffee. But we're just going to make sure that coffee comes out and that you see, that gauge move. As you can see, it's going to start to climb up. There you go. So it's a little bit on the coarser side because you do see it at a lower bar of pressure. Usually you want it around 9 bars, but that's fine. There's that shot. Now we're going to test the steam on. Steam is going to be much drier now that we fixed that water level probe issue, just because you have a lot more room now in the steam boiler for housing steam. And you're not going to see a lot of water being scooped. Now you're going to see a little bit of water, but just not a lot. Definitely less than before. And then the hot water tap, we're just going to run it into our cup because I don't have a container here. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.